Hello. So, first of all, the question is how to take short notes. Now, first of all, you have to understand that there is no need to be beautiful or lengthy. You can just have a messy writing or not so good handwriting, but still, if you can understand it or revise it, it's well enough. Now, second, what are the basics? First of all, you have to think about what are the concepts. For example, if in the books there are line upon line, you have to first understand what is the main topic or chapter number, then subheadings, and based on that, you have to do it or write it. So, what are you doing? You are in one page, you are trying to summarize 50 to 40 pages. What you will do, write the chapter names or the topic, then subheading, and then their main topics. Because if you do that, what would happen is that when you are revising, you will not look at the 50 pages, but you will look at this one piece of paper. Okay, this is, for example, thermodynamics or reproduction, any topic. Then male and female reproduction, or in physics, law of gravity, any topic, Newton's law, first law, second law, third law, fourth law. Then some examples. Okay, this is what happened. So basically you are trying to recall it. Okay, now here, then, okay, now how to do it. Okay, first of all, you can use the different size of letters to bullet points. For example, as we have said, just branch it out, then make it a topics. For writing much smaller notes, what you can do is that you can use various types of symbols. For example, decreasing for this, increasing this, or for example, if you want to write mechanism, you can denote any type of symbol which you would be, it would happen. Again, don't rewrite it, write in such a way that it makes sense to your mind, basically a spider diagram or something like that. Then the best way to do that is to have a mind map. Because basically in notes you can either rewrite the whole sentence, or you can just have a one main topic or points, then put it here and how it is connected. Okay, the one thing which I think I have missed, and you should also think, is that connection. Now, for example, again, if you are making 2 points, then you have to make some of the lines which are making denote them how these two are connected. These are their types. Now, here is the exception. You can write it like EX, exception, facts, FC. So, however you do it, make it quick. Okay, now I think for the summary, uh, you have to do is that. Okay, so basically what you can do as a summary, first of all, don't rewrite it, first point. Second, make it a spider diagram like this or anything else like that, and then what you do is that what you do is that you will just write the key points or the facts. You can also use pictorial diagram, and then in the second sitting or at that time, how these two are connection. The main point is not about the notes, is that you have to understand that it's not for learning, it's for consolidation of information, for review. So that's why. Okay, so it does not have to be good, it just have to be enough so that you can look at it and revise. Okay.